Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a telescope. Let's start off by drawing a small angled curve. From both ends, draw a line that flares out slightly. And in front of those, draw a slightly bigger angled curve. Then, two more lines that flare out slightly again, but slightly shorter this time. And an even bigger curve in front of those. Then, draw two more lines that flare out and are even shorter. And one really big curve in front again. With two short lines that flare out like this. Followed by a curve connecting the ends, a smaller curve right next to it, and a bigger curve that bends the other way for the lens. Then, from the corners at the top and bottom, add some curves that end at the lens like so. To show that it's glass, add two small ovals on the lens to make it look shiny. At the back, draw a C shape that wraps all the way around at the end, two very short perpendicular lines at the top and bottom. Then, connect those lines with another curve. To add a bit more detail, draw a line that goes across each of the tubes like so. And now you've got a telescope.